So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to stream on Twitch and TikTok at the same time. So first, you need to access a web browser, which is in this case, I am using Google Chrome, but you could also use any search engines based on your preference. So after that, you will going to utilize the search bar and search for this URL, which is the app.restream.io, and make sure to register for you to be able to sign in. And once your account is accessed, you will redirect to this page under the home section. You will see this stream title as well as its status and channels. So for you to able to stream TikTok and on Twitch as well at the same time, you're going to click on this one, which is on the plus icon with the corresponding text, which is the channels. Once you click on that, you will see this page, which is add channels. So for you to able to stream, you have to click or connect your Twitch. And if you're wondering where you can find and connect your TikTok, you are going to click the add channels on the bottom. Once you click on that, you will see right here a bunch of options, which is you could choose this one right here, which is the TikTok Live. Once you click on that, you will redirect to this page, which is you could actually connect your TikTok account. Once it is connected, you can now stream at the same time with TikTok and Twitch as well. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.